Every year, over 2,900 house fires are started by the dryer, and the majority of these are due to lint buildup inside the lint trap and inside the dryer's vent duct. Now, there are several symptoms that you have a serious lint buildup and you need a cleaning. The clothes might take longer than normal to dry, or they might come out incompletely dried. The dryer itself might get hot. The laundry room might be more humid than normal, and you might even get a burnt smell. Outside, at the vent termination cap, there's a little door that opens, and if it's not opening all the way or there's weak airflow, it indicates restricted airflow in the vent, and you've got serious buildup. Now, the only way to get your dryer vent clean is with a dryer vent cleaning kit. This is actually like a little version of the brushes that chimney sweeps use to clean your chimney. It has a brush head and 3 or 4 flexible rods for extending into the vent. Now, the brush system just works with your cordless drill. You take the rod, chuck it into your drill, and spin it to wash out the duct. All right, we'll start with cleaning the lint filter trap. We use this special brush and just one of these rods. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come off. Pull out our trap. And again, you gotta clean this every time you use it. So the action here is getting it deep down in there and have a sweeping motion. As you pull it up, you just use your shop vac to get rid of the lint. All right, that looks good. So the next step is vacuuming the back of the dryer, and then you can get to the duct. Before you get started, you want to go outside and clip open the little flapper door on the vent cap. That'll keep it open so you can push the lint out. If you're lucky and you have a short section of exposed duct like this, you can probably just take it off and clean it wherever it's convenient. Now, to clean the duct, we just chuck the brush section into the drill and run the drill. Do it back and forth a few times. When you reach the end, you add an extension, put some masking tape or some electrical tape over the connection, just to be sure it doesn't become disconnected. Make sure you have a shop vac on hand to get all the stuff that comes out. Once it's clean, you can just back the brush out and put your duct back together. Now, when it's back together, you want to seal these with foil duct tape. Don't use regular duct tape because it will just dry and fall off. And never put screws in a duct. Screw goes through and it catches lint. What we're going to do is turn on the dryer, let it blow out any lint from the outside, and then we'll take our paper clip off of the vent cap and it'll be back in action. So it's recommended that you do this good cleaning with the brush system at least once a year. If it's really dirty every time, maybe you do it twice a year.